In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to proficiently use Google Docs. Let's dive right in and explore how you can effectively create and manage your documents online with ease and efficiency. The first thing you'll want to do is open Google Docs. Simply go to docs.google.com in your browser. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in with your Google account. This is important because Google Docs is part of the suite of Google applications tied to your unique account. Once you're in, you'll notice two main options: creating a blank document to start fresh, or choosing from various templates like a resume, letter, or report, depending on your needs. Templates can be a great way to save time and ensure your document has a polished, professional look from the get-go. Now that you're in a document, it's crucial to understand the workspace. At the very top, you'll see the title bar. Here, you want to replace untitled document with a name that reflects the content of your work, making it easy to locate later. Below the title bar is the menu bar, which offers a wealth of tools, including File, Edit, Insert, Format, Tools, and Help. These options enable advanced editing, inserting media, and more, giving you full control over your document. Just beneath, there's the toolbar offering quick formatting options for font style, size, bolding, italics, and text alignment, saving you time and helping you maintain consistency throughout your document. Lastly, there's the main area, which is your canvas for typing and editing text. When you're ready to start writing, you can type directly in the main area. Google Docs makes formatting your text straightforward. For instance, if you want to make your text bold, you can use the shortcut Ctrl+B on Windows or Command+B on Mac. Similarly, for italics, use Ctrl+I or Command+I, and for underlining, use Ctrl+U or Command+U. The toolbar also lets you change the font, size, color, and alignment of your text to match your document style or your personal preference. Collaboration is another powerful feature of Google Docs. To share your document, simply click on the Share button found in the top right corner. Here, you can enter the email addresses of the people you want to collaborate with. Be sure to set their permissions carefully, whether you want them as viewers who can only read, commenters who can read and comment, or editors who can make alterations. Click Send and your document is on its way to being a collaborative project. It's worth noting that Google Docs auto-saves your work instantly as you type, so you never have to worry about losing your progress. Your documents are accessible anytime from Google Drive on any device, making it incredibly convenient for on-the-go access. Finally, if you need a hard copy or want to share your document outside Google Docs, you can download or print it easily. To do so, navigate to File, then Download, and choose your preferred format, whether it's PDF, Word, or TXT. Alternatively, select File, then Print for a paper copy. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to using Google Docs effectively. Follow these steps and you'll leverage one of the best tools out there for document creation and collaboration.